Good medical morning. Today we're looking at Hidradenitis suppurativa, henceforth known as HS, because, let's face it, that's a lot easier to say. HS is a chronic or long-lasting inflammatory skin condition that may be caused by malfunctions in the body's immune system. It might start with small, pimple-like bumps or boils that show up under your skin, and can progress to painful abscesses that may eventually burst or rupture and cause scarring. Though HS can affect men and women in different ways, it usually develops in areas that grow hair, and where skin rubs against skin. It can also occur where sweat glands are located. Before I continue, thank you again for supporting our page. You do this to help improve medical education on the internet. Before we started with medical channels around 2014, there were no educational medical channels on YouTube. Now, there are amazing doctors like Dr. Mike, Dr. Sandra Lee, Dr. Gilmore, and the Toe Bro. So click like if you're a fan of all the incredible content online. So, what areas are most often affected by HS? Underarms, inner thighs, underneath the breasts, buttocks, groin area, back of the neck, and ears. What causes HS? Although the exact cause of HS is unknown, the immune system is believed to play a role, starting beneath the skin's surface. It is known that the body's immune system produces different types of protein to help regulate and protect itself. But with HS, an imbalance in the immune system causes the body to produce too many inflammatory proteins. The overproduction of these proteins leads to increased inflammation throughout the body. This inflammation can create pressure in the layers of the skin, specifically in the hair follicle gland. Let's look at some more examples. While you watch, please comment below and let us know if you're a fan of the page. And hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for updates. Speaking of the immune system, let's take a look at Meta 7. Its unique blend of vitamins and nutrients are developed to give you more energy and help boost your immune system. Hey folks, are you wondering how to boost your immune system to help protect yourself in cold and flu season? Well, maybe it's time for you to stock up on Meta 7. Meta 7 ingredients like B12 and B6 are the building blocks to a healthy immune system. In fact, according to Health.com, vitamin B12 is a powerhouse. It helps make DNA, nerve and blood cells, and is crucial for a healthy brain and immune system. So if you're over 50, don't eat a balanced diet, or suffer from fatigue and could use a nice boost, then try Meta 7 today.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina. If I miss a day, there's no doubt I lose energy earlier in the day, and I won't go without it in the future.
It has helped me so very much with working. It gives me a lot more energy throughout the day, and instead of being in the middle of the day, I can get through my whole day, and it's been working really well.
And I have a lot of energy. I'm not wired up or anything. It feels natural, and I recommend this product to everyone. So get your bottle of Meta 7 today.
Check out the Amazon links in the description below, and you can order today with Amazon Prime.